So I applied for Fudan's UIPDB program, Data Science and Big Data, and they gave me 2 minutes of self-introduction. So in those 2 minutes, Chancellor advised me to make a presentation about myself to present when I do the introduction. And the interview was 15 minutes long. There were around 4 professors. They were called experts, and one admin who was timekeeping. Overall, the interviewers asked me about things that I talked about in my introduction and in my personal statement. They asked me a lot about things I wrote in my personal statement, so that's really key. And there weren't really any math questions that Fudan asked, but they did ask me core questions about my major, such as how does deep learning reinforcement work? So things about AI that I wrote about in my personal statement.
Mhm.
For undergrad, I did undergrad, and I've been pre-admitted. Yep.
Did you get like any like difficult questions or unexpected questions from Fudan?
An unexpected question would be when they asked me about what was most memorable about Fudan, because I told them that I went to Fudan, and then
Uh-huh.
I was caught off guard because I wasn't sure how to describe the experience there, and
Uh-huh.
I didn't quite use the right words.
So it's like a talk, right? They will ask you questions according to what you talks like,
Yes.
and it's not like all prepared questions, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And
It's like
like,
on the spot.
are they strict? Okay, are they strict? Like, are they really harsh
Um,
or are they really nice in the interview?
For my experience, there was one professor, the main
Uh-huh.
professor, that was
Uh-huh.
seemed quite strict, but the others were
Okay.
really,
They will
yeah.
have like poker face there, or they do they smell? Or
Oh, they most of them smiled, but one of them just did a strict face. But most
I
of them
mean, like,
smiled and
uh-huh.
they were nodding
Yeah, I mean,
along.
yeah, there's always someone like to show a poker face. I know, like, I need to
Hmm.
show like the like I'm a Fudan professor, so I'm proud of that. So I need to show my poker. No, sorry, guys, don't
Yes.
spread that. I was kidding.
Yes.
Yeah. So okay. So
Mm.
like if you just look back, what would you do differently in your interview? Is there something you think you can modify or like optimizing it?
I would have reread my personal statement better so that
Uh-huh.
I could have explained points that I made there better.
Okay.
And I would have also been more confident because I feel like being confident would really help in
Uh-huh.
interviews. Yes.
Like
Mm.
if you feel a bit nervous or something, like how do you reassuring yourself? Like, you know, I
When
was kind of like a bit nervous, a little bit, I can say, like when I started this presentation, but then I find, oh, I just imagine they are now experienced now, like they are not my audience. So and then I totally got assured myself like how to do. I do have any
that's true.
skills.
There's multiple ways. You could also grip the share,
Uh-huh.
to not let them see that you're nervous. That's one way.
Okay.
Or you could
Okay.
imagine them as your friends and try not to be
Uh-huh.
nervous. Just try
Yeah.
to imagine them as not professors.
Sure, yeah, you can drink water, but just don't spill that or like that.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Drinking
cool.
water also gives you time to think.